Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy and welcome to this video. Welcome to another app that I'm going to introduce you, and I'm pretty sure that you're going to love it. So what do we have today is eQuoo. I think it is the way you pronounce it. eQuoo. Something like this, right? So let's get started and see what this app is about. So you can allow notifications. I'm gonna say not right now. So this is an evidence-based app, and they had their clinical trial show that playing one level a week, this is a game actually, it will improve your personal growth. It will help you in such ways you will be surprised. So, hi, I'm Dr. Joy and I'll help you play the game. What's your name? Okay. My name is Daria, and choose your avatar. I like to go with Rose. Accept. As Liam Neeson's character says in Taken, I have a particular set of skills. This game does not teach those skills, but even better, with eQuoo, you'll learn emotional skills and psychological hacks that will let you level up in your life. So here is how this app works. You will be learning 2 skills to be able to play each game level, and that will unlock a choose your own adventure story. And that will require you to use what you learn to help the character you're playing. Choose correctly and level up. Choose poorly and you might not win. So it's actually making it like a game, so it's going to be very good. So yeah, Jasmine and Noah have been dating for half a year now. He seems distracted and continues using his phone. What do you think about the situation? Noah dropped his phone for a second. They could both step up their game. Jasmine needs to chill. Of course, Noah could drop. No, I'm not gonna go with this. Did you know that the way that Noah reacts to Jasmine can predict with a certainly 84% whether they will stay together in the future or not? In the example, Jasmine was placing an emotional bid to Noah. Want to know what an emotional bid is? Let me show you. Emotional bid when we do something to signal that we want attention and connection. Emotional bids are central to every kind of relationship. It can be with words, touch, or a teddy bear being thrown at someone's head. We can react to an emotional bid in 3 ways: towards, away from, or against. So how about helping Noah and Jasmine? I loved how sunny it was today. How do you think Noah should react to Jasmine's emotional bid? Can't you see? Keep your trap shut for once. You're right, today was... I think if Noah is all over his phone all the time, he would go be like, With this choice, Noah turned away from the emotional bit. By ignoring emotional bits, we weaken our connections and have less happy, healthy relationships. Okay, you're right. Today was really lovely. Yes. Let's go. Okay, now we got to our levels after the story of the Jasmine and Noah. So let's go with level 1. Let's learn our skill 1. Emotional bits. Okay. Yeah, we've seen these ones. I loved how sunny it was today. You should always say, you're right, today was really lovely. Okay, let's get to number 2. Okay, we can react by assuming it will happen all the time. That's what I do. Trying to keep an open mind, which that's not what I am do, or staying positive and challenging our negative thought. That's not what I do either. So what he now is saying, I didn't get the job I interviewed for last week. How do you think now should react to his experience? It would be me. I would be like, at this rate, I'm never going to get a job. I might as well stop trying. That's me. I'm sick in head. Ouch, I gotta keep trying. I'll practice my people skills more. This sucks. Maybe I should try applying somewhere else. I think yes, I was right. Yes, this is amazing. Okay, even though I cannot do it in real life, at least I can do it here. And also, Dr. J does not leave us alone. Yes, the story. Okay, let's get to the story. Of course, we're gonna check our story, but before that, let me show you something. So from here, we have our profile. How much money we have is writing there. We have our settings. If we want the music, all we can delete player data to go through everything again. We have our books, generation, like lectures, and this is where we're at right now. We have our, I think, like community, and the US leading mental health website is Mental Health America, and the UK heading Mental Health Community Health Unlocked, that they can help us actually. And we also have our store, I guess. Let's see what we have. We have full game access, starter pack, or skill pack. Okay, let's go with play because we have already played. And let's go to our story. You just turned 18 while other young people your age are adjusting. Okay. Being king is pretty cool and ordering your subjects around a blast, but who's the boss now? Okay. How dare you summon me? You buster. His father tried it as well, but it was only a waste of time. Thank you for coming. As you can see, my people are in dire need of help, and you only... Okay. Question 1. Okay, I got it. So, I'm not gonna keep playing right now, but as you can see, there are like after learning what is an emotional beat, after learning what's generalization is, we have a play, we have a game that we're playing again to see how we can actually use those things that we have just learned. And if I keep playing, which I will keep playing after this video ends, we have a situation that we're gonna be using what we have learned, both of them, by answering some questions, and the story will shape itself. And if we actually win, we are able to level up and see other and learn more. But if we can't, I guess we stuck and we keep playing unless we learn what we had to do in that point. And I think it is pretty good. So if you guys have any questions about this game or any other thing, you should ask me on the comments. And I want to ask you a question. If you were the Jasmine in the Noah, you know that relationship we talked about. If you were Jasmine, what would be the first thing that you would say to Noah? Like that you see he's on his phone 24/7. What would you say? Please let me know in the comments. It can be vice versa. Just let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel too. See you guys in my next video.